Hi, this is just a quick video to show you how Anna's business tool works. It's completely MTD compliant and a really simple and easy way to submit your VAT returns directly to HMRC. So all you need to do is make sure you have your spreadsheet prepared with the final figures of your VAT return. But if it is that you need a bit of assistance on that, Anna does offer some free VAT return preparing templates, which is available on anna.money, where you can download those and use them to help you prepare your VAT return. So that's what I've done. I've used one of the templates, which I can show you now, so it's easier for you to go through and have a look. So on the first tab, you'll just have some guidance in how to use the tab. In the second tab called VAT Return, this is where you will see your final figures that it will populate for you and calculate. You don't need to mess around with any of the information here. It's already formulated in each box so that it reads the relevant information to input it into whichever box it needs to be submitted in. All you need to do is list out all of your transactions for your sales and list out all of your transactions for your expenses. The spreadsheet will basically do the rest for you. Make sure that you select the correct option, because based on the option, the spreadsheet will know which VAT return box it needs to get allocated to. So once you've input all of your information in each of those tabs, the VAT return final box figures will be calculated. Just save it somewhere safe so we're ready to use it in the business tool. So if we go back to the business tool here, just make sure that you're actually connected to HMRC under the business tool. I'm already connected, so you can see that it's showing up here. If you're not, just make sure you click on Connect to HMRC, and it'll basically take you to the government portal where you'll enter your credentials and just grant Anna authority to submit the VAT return on your behalf. Once you've done that, this page will populate up here itself. And this is basically a list of your obligations for VAT and also the previous VAT returns that you have submitted. So all I'll do is find the relevant obligation that I want to fulfill. So let's say it's this period that I am wanting to submit the VAT return for, 2017. Bear in mind, this is a test environment. That's why the figures are a bit outdated. So please ignore that. On yours, obviously, it will show up the correct information that is relevant to the obligations that you need to fulfill. So all I'm going to do here is basically upload the XLS file that I want to submit. So I'm going to choose that one, and it'll read the information for me and just basically tell me what information is in the spreadsheet and how it's understood it. So it's seeing that in cell D3, VAT return box 1 is £1,220. Now, if it is that in the actual spreadsheet, it's not cell D3 that is showing the total box 1 figure, it's actually D4, all I'd need to do is change the cell number there to the correct cell number in my spreadsheet so it actually matches the correct information. But D3 was fine for me, so I'm just going to refer back to the correct box. Any yellow pop-ups that show up, that will just be a reminder of MTD obligations and requirements. So do have a read of them. They're just subtle reminders to make sure that you're following the correct rules that MTD requires. But once you're happy with those figures, then it's basically next to confirm them. So I'm just going to click next there. Then I just need to declare that the information within the VAT return is true and complete, as you do whenever you submit a VAT return. Submit to HMRC, and it's completely submitted. That's as simple as it gets. Give it 24 hours to show up in in your VAT account. You'll also get an email confirmation to the email address that obviously you have an account with in regards to this business tool, and that's as simple as it is. If you have any questions, please let us know. We would be happy to help. Thank you.